Before I started to make over $7,000 a month online, right? I was a dishwasher, right? A dishwasher. I knew nothing about advertisement or marketing on the internet. My name is Alex, and I don't have a Rolex. I don't have a Ferrari. I don't have a Lamborghini. I simply just do affiliate marketing. That is, I advertise other people's products and services for them using ads on the internet, advertisements on the internet. And when someone clicks an ad, right, and goes to a product that they buy, I make money. Have you ever bought anything off the internet from an ad? That means someone like me made money. I don't touch the product, ship the product, do drop shipping, do billing. I simply get links, right? I use AI now. I get links. I create ads, right? Ads and take those ads and I put them on social media. And then people read the ad or watch a video, whatever the case might be, and then they go to the product and buy the product. This is 24/7, 7 days a week. Passive income, residual income, earned income, active income, whatever you want to call it nowadays, right? I don't have a Rolex. I don't have a Ferrari. I'm not going to flash cash in front of you. I'm just a guy that runs ads. That's it. You can make way more money than I can, right? I make 7 to 10K a month right now with ads. There's people making 100K a month with ads. People make 100K a day with ads, super affiliates. And this is all I do. If you want to learn more about how all this ad thing work, you can go to the link below this video. Subscribe to the channel. I'm not going to flex on you. I don't have a Rolex. Everybody's in the same position. We get ads. We get links. We run ads. We make money. We run ads. We make money. Repeat the process. Catch you guys. The best of luck. Catch you guys inside. You guys can do whatever you want to do. I run ads to sell affiliate products. Peace.